Hi everyone, today we would like to demonstrate how you can AirDrop on your iPhone 14 series device. So if we are talking about the using AirDrop for sending something to another iPhone, just simply tap on the share icon on any file, image, photo, video, whatever that you would like to send. So you can find this button over here. You can either tap and hold the image that you would like to AirDrop, share, and AirDrop, or you can access this share button from the image itself right over here at the bottom left corner. When it comes to AirDropping, let's say some files or any other stuff, other files not located in the gallery, let's say some documents, so in here you gotta also share them, which you can do by either long pressing at the preview of the document in the files, or you can also open the document itself like this one. Let's say share AirDrop, and then just make sure that the device that you are intending to AirDrop something to is unlocked. Its receiving AirDrop option is enabled, as well as everyone mode is enabled, or if the device in question is in your contact list, you can also go for the contacts only mode. So, but just to make it easier, go for everyone. Now it will be either displayed right over here, as you can see, the little HardReset iPhone 2, that's this device, is displayed right over here, like the quick access menu, should I say, and it has this little AirDrop logo. Or you can just go into the AirDrop and open the dedicated AirDrop page, tap on it, and another phone will receive whatever you have sent to it, basically, which was the document. The same goes for images, photos, but they will go not into the whatever app, iBooks or something, so default document app, but they will go to the gallery. When it comes to receiving something through the AirDrop, as I've already showed a little, just make sure that your AirDrop is enabled. Right now it is not, so tap on it, choose the working option, the working mode that it's going to operate in, so contacts only or everyone, and now just wait until you will receive or somebody will send to you any intended stuff through AirDrop. And as I've already showed on this phone, you will just receive it, and that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.